there are four main methods to line removal that you can opt to go with. Number one is the most traditional method, and this is burning the lines off. This uses hot compressed air, which is propane and air, gone through a compressor and a lance, and essentially what we're going to be doing is melting those lines off the ground. Now, while it may be traditional, it's not my preferred method because I don't like the open flame system. I just don't feel it's the safest method of removing the lines, and it doesn't actually give you the best results. Method number two is to grind the lines off. Now, we do a fair bit of grinding. What we do for this, we have a ride-on system that will braid the surface, take the lines up for you. However, you won't get every last drop of paint out, but it's really, really good for thermoplastics as well as normal paints on concrete or tarmac. Now, one of the considerations for grinding, of course, is that you're going to be left with scarification marks at the end, so it will be obvious where the lines have been removed. Item number three you can go for is to shot blast. Now, this is better suited to concrete. It's not really designed for outdoor use, and it certainly won't do for thermoplastic paints. You're much better doing this for a normal standard paint. Much like the grinding though, you are going to see the marks where you've done the shot blasting, but the biggest drawback of all is that you're going to need to use a generator, a vacuum system, as well as have to lug around all the cables and the hoses, making this a really big system to use. And again, it's still going to leave marks. It's not going to be the best one for you. Now, the fourth option is my personal favorite, but of course the drawback on this one is going to be the price, but that is hydroblasting. Now, hydroblasting essentially is going to be using ultra high pressure water that we're going to jet onto the ground and then vacuuming it back up so that you've got no mess and debris left over. It is absolutely amazing to use on both tarmac and concrete, and it's certainly going to be the best option for any type of line removal. Let's jump in and I'll show you all about what we're doing on this project here.